My name is Nitin Chalva Ranganath Mavinkere. I'm from India. Uh, I'm studying Masters in Urban Design and College of Architecture and Built Environment here.
Hi, I'm Zaida Shafakova. I am also at Jefferson University with CABE. I'm graduating this spring in May with the Architecture of Science degree.
So the project Philadelphia 2050, the way we approached the project was we were trying to understand what the design resulted in terms of we ran a couple of simulations for understanding the environmental behavior or the environmental impacts of the design to decide on which would be the best option or the best strategy for proposing such kind of a city.
Our focus was on being able to reiterate a city, plan out a city, like use an area, plan out a city, how people are going to travel through it, how it's going to be used, how it's going to be profited off of, and doing that in tandem to doing all of those functions in a sustainable way that's going to last. It's from just the psychology of the people that live there to the amount of money that the developers are gonna gain from it.
One of the design inspirations that we encountered was the 15-minute city in Barcelona. I think it's called as a super block right now, where you have all the amenities available within a 15-minute walk radius. That was something which we had intended to achieve as well through a couple of programmings and understand how far a person could walk and what all he or she would find within that particular distance.
The challenge was the whole thing of trying to bring in all of these aspects and finding the best way that they can all work together. Then we can prioritize the things that are going to help actual human development over what's going to make the most money. And we can do that in a way that we can also make sure that the developers are still profiting off of it so that they have that incentive to apply these tactics so that in the future our great-grandchildren are not suffering through but they don't have the same fears for what is going to happen in their worlds as we do.
We as designers, we would be thrilled to know that someone is interested to take on projects like these, and definitely it would help the community as a whole.
I think this is something that I hope that a developer would look at and be like, hey, I want to work with these kids. They are onto something, clearly. I hope they see the vision that we're trying to make something amazing for the future.